Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today is a long holiday and we are here at Bohol, Philippines. Let's go explore the island. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share peace and love. Let's go! And so we are here at our first destination here at Bohol. We are here at the known in social media, the now Bohol Sea of Clouds, and it's still 5 p.m. so we don't expect any sea of clouds this time because it usually show at the it usually show up in the morning or in the dawn. So I'm camping here. We will see the sunset here at the now Bohol. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so after a long wait since the early morning, like 4 a.m. after a long struggle of taking a long exposure shot, we gotta see the beauty of the Sea of Clouds here at Danao Bohol. And let's go to our next destination. Hey guys, we are here at our second destination, the worldly known Chocolate Hills, Dirisa Carmen, Bohol. It took us more than 30 minutes to travel from Danao to Carmen, and then took us 200 plus steps. I forgot how many because it's surprisingly exhausting because of the stairs. So yeah, and I won't talk too much because I want to show you the view. Let's go. So guys, we're here at our third destination, which is the Bilar Eco Park, or also known as the man-made forest, and it's clean and green, and then it looks good, it looks amazing, it looks refreshing from in. We had a 30 minutes ride from Carmen. Na ay butong dire, na ay I don't know sina dire, pero let's go check it out. So this is where the adventure starts. Nabiyaan sa bus. So maglakaw ko until makita og asa ko makasakay pwede. I'm still here at Lubok, just a few meters away sa man-made forest. So baybayan ang aking paglalakbay patungong Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Share peace and love. So we are here at our next destination here at Panglao, Bohol. Hey doggy. Ay, gilok. More good. Iya dyan ko gisimot guys. So, ganiha, what happened is luckily nakakita ko og bus sa may Lubok, pero I had to walk for 1.4 kilometers before riding the bus. So tiyan kay that bus ride was already the last trip for today because today is Good Friday. It's a holiday and transportation is very hard here at Bohol, especially for a holiday. Luckily, we're here at Panglao and we're gonna enjoy the beach for the rest of the day. Let's go! We are here at the top of a hill and we can see the overlooking view of the terraces. Looks so good. Ay, nainit kay nindot og color ang kuan. Sa terraces sa tag-om. Kuyawan kung ganiya kay tag-om ra ba ang forecast. And so we're here at our next destination here at still at Bohol, can-umantad waterfalls. Okay. Tara. And we are here at our next destination. We're here at Anda, the public beach. It's called Canola Beach, and then it's so beautiful. And then actually mas manapa ko dito sa Panglao kagahapon. Later on, after lunch, I'll go to Cabagnaw Cave Pool, and gonna dip and jump and dip into a cave spring pool. So, di ako magyaw-yaw ugmayo. And I will show you around. Sorry for my messy hair. I'll show you around Canola Beach.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
Okay guys, so medyo boring atong vlog karon kay. It's more of an informative vlog. I'm here talking while walking, and I'll give you some short entertainment. Mukanta ko. Hindi mo nagdili mo lang. Si 1, 2, 3, go. Ni hao yo si yo. Pagkaulaw lang, bye. Okay, so init na. Back to ninja mode. Mukanta na ko. Og, if you trust your rebel heart. Samok! What's up guys? Okay, sakit akong likod. Now, wala pa tayo sa Cabagnaw Cave. Okay? Iato ko sa side ni cave na nasa sila mga signages, which is the Bohol Cave. And then as you can see, wala lang tao diri. And then, ilang kayo diri. It's so quiet. It's so freaking quiet here. And this must be the portal to Encantadia. Let's go. Hindi ko maligo kaya ato ako sa Cabagnaw Cave maligo. Medyo creepy kay dire. Pero I'll show you around guys. What's up guys? We are here at our last destination for today. Joke, Biliday, Cabagnaw Cave. Let's go. And yes, we are back. We're here again at Canola Beach at Anda, Bohol, and it's still almost 3 p.m. and I have nothing to do but to wait for the sunset and pitch tent at 6 p.m. because they allow only the people to pitch tents at 6 p.m. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's CJ Estrada, and I hope you enjoy this video. And I hope that when you come here in Bohol, you get to explore the same spots, or you get to explore more spots than I did, even though it's a bit extravagant because it's more expensive because it's Holy Week, and then transportation is very hard because bus companies aren't available, especially for Good Friday. So everything's gonna be motorcycle, whatever. Yeah, and it costs more than public transportation. So that's the downside of my trip this Holy Week. So next time everything should be planned and everything should be researched, and then everything should be organized well. But the best thing of this trip is that the adventure behind it, the misadventures and the adventures behind it. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share peace and love, and let us practice leave no trace. take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, and kill nothing but time, and leave nothing but memories. So let's take care of our trashes. Let's practice hashtag leave no trace. See ya!